Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 1st, our word of the day is muster. M-U-S-T-E-R. Muster. Muster is a 6-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Muster means to rouse, produce, or encourage something such as an emotion or support. Originally meaning to gather soldiers, muster has been expanded to include gathering up just about anything. You can muster up some dinner, some friends, or even some ketchup, pickles and mustard. Similar words include rally, summon, collect, garner, gather, pull together. Examples of sentences using muster are: mustering all her strength, she pulled hard on the oars. She managed to muster the courage to ask him to the cinema. The team will need all the strength they can muster to win this game. Opponents are unlikely to be able to muster enough votes to override the veto. It's no trouble at all to muster mock sincerity. Make sure to save this new word, muster, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.